Hello, everybody. Welcome to Module 9. Module 9 will be all about receivables. So basically, when somebody owes you money and you expect to collect it, that's called a receivable. And so we'll be focusing on how to actually estimate uncollectible receivables. So when you have a business and you're selling to people on credit, there'll always be a certain portion of people who are not able to pay you or are unwilling to pay you. And the question is, how do you estimate that amount to match the revenue with the expense? So you have to be able to estimate the uncollectible within the same reporting period as the revenue occurred. And we'll be looking at how you do the estimation. We'll be looking at how you make journal entries for not only estimating uncollectibles, but also writing off receivables. So after you make the estimations at the actual write-off, when you realize that you're not going to get paid, and in the rare occasion that the customer does pay, you'll also be looking at reinstating uncollectible amounts. So they'll become receivables again, and then we'll record the collection when it happens. So we have that to look forward to. We're nearing the end of the course, so make sure you stay on top of things. We have another discussion thread opening up this week about receivables and collectibles in your own experience. Another thing to look out for is you want to be keeping on top of your group project. So we have the group finalized. So you want to make sure that you're connecting with your group members and tackling on this large project, which will take significantly more time than your individual report did at the midpoint of the course. And one last thing that you want to focus on is assignment number 2. So assignment number 2 consists of 5 questions, starting off with estimating the cost of inventory or calculating the cost of inventory. And it goes on from there, right, with the bank rec. Question 3 is all about receivables. Question 4, depreciation. And question 5, payroll. So there's only a couple chapters to go, and those will help you the last 2 questions. But it's a good point to start on your assignment 2 if you haven't already, because you can definitely do the first 3 questions after this week, because they'll be covered. And like I said, a little bit more work left for question 4 and 5, but you can tackle that when you get to it. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next module.